Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you this blue eyeshadow look. I'm going in with the Toast Concealer by L.A.Girl Cosmetics, and then I'm going in with this Up Til Dawn Morphe palette. The blue color I'm using is called Midnight Splash, and I just want to take a dense packer brush and apply this all over my lid, and I'm going to bring it up a little bit into my crease. Like I always say, everyone's eye shape is different, so you apply as much as you need based on your actual eye space that you have. After that, I'm going to take a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to blend the outsides of that blue just to smoke it out a little bit. And then once I do that, I'm going to clean the same brush off because I don't want any color to transfer over into the next shade I'm going to use for my eyes. I'm going to go in with my face powder. I use the L'Oreal Palace Infallible face powder. I use it in the shade 375 Amber. And I'm going to blend, deep amber, not just amber, deep amber. And I'm just going to blend the outsides of that blue just to make it look more seamless. After I do that, I'm going to go in with my Juvias palette. I'm going to use the Culture palette. And I'm going to try to use like a shimmery blue color. It looks green when you look at it like head on. It's called sand. It looks green, but once I apply it, it looks like blue shimmers and stuff. I don't know why it looks like that on camera. But I'm going to also use my NYX glitter glue to apply it. This just makes it look more, to me, it looks more shimmery and glittery opposed to me just using it by itself. You don't have to use glitter glue if you don't want to. But I just choose to use that with all my shimmer shadows if I'm using a dark base under the glitter. So now I'm going to go in with my lips. This is my Richie lip liner by Morphe. You guys know I love the lip liner Richie. They have other different shades, but I just like that one better. This is the Drenched lip gloss by Morphe in the shade Coffee Drip. No, Drip Coffee. I said it backwards. I'm sorry. Drip Coffee. Then this is the same line of gloss. This is in the shade Naked Dip. And I'm going to put that kind of more into the middle of my lips. I'm trying to go in for like an ombre effect if you don't see the pattern. I'm going to put that in the center of my lips. Then I'm going to go in with the Butter Gloss by NYX in the shade Fortune Cookie. And I'm going to put that in the middle of that Naked Dip. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments below if you did. Let me know if you like it. And if you want to see other colors. I love you guys. Bye.